awake with praise. Let hope arise in every soul, and earth lift thankful lays.
Sing to the earth, the King now reigns. Let songs of gladness flow.
Through seas and skies, through hills and plains, let all creation glow. No more shall fear and darkness stay, nor chains of guilt remain. He comes our broken hearts to heal and wash the world from pain.
He leads the world with truth and love, His grace for all made sure.
The nations sing His righteousness, His mercy strong